hate, 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 double hate, loathe entirely.
We never live cause we stay fly. I'ma be a bitch for life. If they try you.
Welcome, pretty people. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, the Abby-licious, and for today's video, we are doing a Christmas look. So obviously, I am wearing it currently. So I'm gonna give you guys a step-by-step tutorial on how to create this Grinch Christmas makeup look. Obviously, it's gonna be beginners friendly. So get your makeup ready, get your brushes ready, because I am gonna teach you guys how I just did this Christmas theme, Grinch theme makeup look. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more creative makeup look. I haven't done a makeup look on my channel in forever. If you guys have been subscribed to me or follow my YouTube journey, you guys obviously seen the last time I did a makeup look was like 2 years ago. So I'm bringing it back. Hope you guys enjoy it. Now without further ado, let's get into this video. But wait, because before we get into this video, I would like to give a huge shout out to Cole Eyes for gifting me some contact lenses. So in this box, they gifted me 4 different contact lenses, one of which I'm currently wearing in my eyes and which I'll wear throughout the entire duration of this video. This color is called Fuji Green, in case if you're wondering. The other shades I received, Glittery Blue, Nano Red, which is a part of their new collection, and lastly, Blind White Out. What I love about Cole Eyes is with each contact lenses that you order, you get a case for you to store your contact lenses in when you take them out. And in the box, it also comes with this cute little applicator that I use to insert my contact lenses. What I really love about Cole Eyes is that they have something for everyone. They have something for cosplay. They have something for the natural girlies. They have something for the blind girlies. They have something for the makeup girlies. There's something for everyone on that website, and they're super affordable. Lastly, in the box, it comes with this little pamphlet that has instructions on how to wear your contact lenses and how to remove them. And on the back, it gives you instructions on their VIP club. The more you spend, you become a VIP member and you also earn points. They are also super comfortable for all day wear. So head on over to Cole Eyes website and purchase your contact lenses. Also, don't forget to use my discount code, which is here on the screen, to save some money. And again, thank you so much, Cole Eyes, for gifting me these contact lenses. Now, let's get in this video. So I already got one eyebrow done off camera, and now I'm gonna do the eyeshadow of the eye. So after I pack in my green shadow, I mixed 2 different greens, by the way, because I just didn't know what color green I was gonna put the rest of my face in. So after I do this, on the picture she had a green wing. I think I'm just gonna do a black wing for mine. I'm going in with the Morphe Make It Big liner. I'm gonna create my wing. So after I created my wing, I went on off camera and sketched out my Grinch face. And I'm going in with this paint palette from Amazon. If you guys know a better brand or a better paint set that I can get off Amazon, please let me know in the comment section. I got this one years ago. It's the only thing I have on hand right now, but I don't like it. It smudged a lot, and even when you set it with powder, it's just, I don't know. I don't like this paint set, but it's the only thing I had at the time. So that's what I'm going to be using to create my Grinch face. So after you cover that up, your face should be looking somewhat like this. Obviously not the green that I was going for, but it will do. And then I'm going in with a translucent setting powder to set that green, just so it doesn't, again, smudge a lot, because it does. It's like a water paint. And then I'm using this is like a crayon pencil liner, super big, super jumbo. So I use that to do my Grinch eyebrows. And what I'm doing right now is just filling in the eyebrows just to see what I need to do. I probably should have did this first, but I was just winging this look, you guys. Then I'm going in with a liquid liner to do like some hair strokes on top of my natural brows. And this is just going to give like a more bushier, meaner Grinch brow. So now my face is looking like this. I did draw like the wrinkle jaw of the Grinch off camera, and I just use a regular black eyeliner pencil to do that. And then what you're seeing me doing right now is just tracing over that with a water activated liner by Suva Beauty. I love them. I love them, love them so much. If you don't have a water activated liner on hand, you can go ahead and use any liquid liner or any whether it's an eyebrow pencil that's black or like any type of beauty supply pencil that you have on hand. You can also use this to draw your lines and sketch out stuff. Like, you don't necessarily have to use this if you don't have it. So now I'm coloring the nose. Again, you can use a regular pencil to do this, like you see me doing right now. I didn't have a black liquid lipstick, so I just decided to use the pencil crayon that I have. And right here I am using also a red crayon, and look, my mom is peeping peeping mom. But yeah, I'm using a red pencil to do the bottom lip, which I didn't have to because I had a red lippy on hand. I just didn't want to go to the other room to get it, so I just used the pencil. But that is it, you guys. And I'm doing the final touch, which is just putting on the Santa hat. And that is it. Let me know what you guys think about this look. For me, I think it was super easy. For a lot of you guys, it might be just a little bit more complicated, but I promise you, just follow these steps and you cannot go wrong. So please let me know what you guys think about this look. If you guys follow me on TikTok, then you guys have already seen all the reels that I have posted with this look. But thank you guys so much if you have watched this entire video. Also, save this video for next year if you want to recreate this look. Thank you guys so much for my subscribers who just keep coming back and tuning into my video every single time. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.